Welcome, everyone. Have you ever wondered how untreated rectocele impacts not just physical health, but emotional well-being too? Today, we'll explore rectocele repair, a surgical procedure designed to restore the pelvic floor and enhance quality of life. I'm here to guide you through the process, its benefits, and what recovery looks like. Let's get started. Rectocele occurs when the pelvic floor muscles weaken, causing the rectum to bulge into the vaginal wall. This leads to discomfort, pressure, and difficulty with bowel movements, often accompanied by fecal incontinence. Left untreated, these symptoms can severely affect daily activities and emotional well-being. Understanding the condition is the first step towards effective treatment. Living with rectocele impacts more than just physical health. The constant pressure and discomfort interfere with exercise, intimacy, and social interactions. Patients often experience anxiety, frustration, and loss of confidence. These challenges emphasize the importance of addressing rectocele promptly with professional medical care. Rectocele repair offers hope through advanced surgical techniques. Minimally invasive procedures strengthen pelvic floor muscles and restore structural integrity. Recovery plans often include targeted exercises like Kegels, which further aid in regaining control and comfort. The process is designed to minimize downtime while ensuring long-term success. The benefits of repair go beyond symptom relief. Patients report improved physical function, enhanced confidence, and a return to everyday activities like exercise and travel. This transformation is not just physical, it rejuvenates emotional well-being, making life more fulfilling and enjoyable. Did you know studies show a 90% success rate for rectocele repair surgeries? Most patients experience significant improvement in symptoms and quality of life within a year of the procedure. These numbers demonstrate the reliability of modern treatments and provide reassurance to those considering surgery. Patients often describe their journey as life-changing. Before surgery, they struggled with discomfort and limitations. Post-surgery, they regain control, confidence, and freedom to enjoy daily activities. These stories reflect the profound impact of rectocele repair, offering hope and inspiration to others. Embarking on the path to recovery starts with expert consultation. From diagnosis to surgery and beyond, every step is supported by skilled professionals. With clear guidance and a comprehensive recovery plan, patients can feel confident in reclaiming their health and well-being. I am Dr. Abhay Chopada, an experienced gastroenterologist and colorectal surgeon, concluding the session saying rectocele repair is more than a procedure, it's a gateway to a better quality of life. With Gastrosurgery UK, you can access advanced care tailored to your needs. Empower yourself with the right tools and guidance for recovery. With expert consultation at Gastrosurgery UK, you can access healthy recovery from rectocele repair. Here at Gastrosurgery UK, our qualified experts are available for consultation. Take charge of your health today